Hello everyone, this class for 11 AB math core. Okay, we continue our lesson, the binomial theorems, but this gonna go to the in the section 2. This means the chapter 14.2, and today we're gonna learn how to use the specific term, how to find the specific term. Okay, and we're gonna have the formula. But before that, we can write it down for the formula from the previous lesson first. Okay, like for example, the formula is a plus b, the whole thing power n, equal to the formula. Okay, n c 0 a n minus 0 b power 0, right? And the second term gonna be n c1 a n minus 1 and then b power 1 plus n c2 a n minus 2 b power 2, and you keep doing until the last term is going to be ncn. Okay, going to be ncn and then a power n minus n b power n. Okay, so we come back to this question for the example. The first example here, find the descending powers of x. Descending means from high to low. Degree, the index from high to low. From high to low, I mean the index, okay, high to low. The power from high to low of x. And the question one, you find only the first 4 terms. So we don't need to expand for all, right? See, the question have x power 2 minus y power 2, the whole thing power 5. That means we're gonna have 6 terms, right? Because power 5, then we're gonna have 6 terms. Then we expand this one. This just review one more time, okay? Give you a little bit different formula. I mean different example. So then we use this formula. Again, you write down n equal to 5, okay? And then a right now equal to x squared, okay? And then b equal to negative y squared. Then inform this question from this. We can, from the question we can relate down because the formula is what, plus, right? So we better write in the plus side. So gonna be x squared plus minus y squared and the whole thing power 5. Then the whole thing power 5. Then we start to expand by using the binomial coefficient theory or binomial expansion. Okay, so then from this n is a 5, c 0, right? A is a x squared power 5 minus 0, and then y is a negative y power 2 power 0, then plus next gonna be 5 c1 x power 2 5 minus 1, and then minus y power 2 power 1, right? Next gonna be 5 c2 x power 2 power 5 minus 2, and then minus y y power 2 power 2, correct? We need first 4 term only, so one more. So plus 5 c3 and then x power 2 5 minus 3. This one 5 minus 2, and then y power 2, and then time negative y power 2 power 3. So we have 4 terms already, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's enough because they need only first 4 terms. So then we simplify. Simplify 5c0 is what? always 1, correct? 5, 5, 4, 5, 4, 0 is 1. Okay, so 1 time this one gonna be x power 2, and then 5 minus become 5 minus 0 become 5, and then this one any base but power 0 always 1, right? Now come to this. Now this one, observe again, don't forget the sign. This one plus and this one minus, but this index here outside here is a odd number, so the sign should be minus, plus times minus. Okay, so this term gonna be 5c1. 5c1 is 5, correct? 5c1 is a 5, so we have 5, and then x5 minus 1 become 5, 5 power 2 become x power 10. Okay, and then y become power 2 because it's a negative, so move already. And next one, see this minus, right? And this one plus, but this power is what? This power is a even number, so the sign come out to still keep plus sign. Then you have use a calculator. 5c2 equal to 10, so you write 10 here. 5c2, x power 2 and 5 minus 2 become 3, so become x power 3 times 2 times 3 become x power 6, and y 2 become 4, and plus see this one is 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, then use calculator. 5c3 is 10. 5c3 is 10. So, and then x power 2, this 5 minus this one become 2, so 2 become x power 4. And then this one, okay, again this index is what? Odd, so this is a minus, so this one should be minus. I change the sign here, so this one should be minus sign. Okay, so 5c3 is 10, so x power 2, 2, 4 become x power 4 here, and then y move negative already, so become 6. So now we simplify. Gonna be 1 become x power 10 minus 5 minus 5. This one 5 minus 1 become 4. 4 times 2 should be 8. So can I correct here? This one should be 8. Okay. Maybe I erase a little bit here. So this one become 4. 4 times 2 become power 8 here. So we have what the sign gonna be? So this one minus, right? Because power odd minus, and then yes. So we have 5x power 8 and y power 2, and then this one plus 10x power 6 y power 4, and then this one minus 10x power 4 y power 6. So that's all for the first 4 terms of this expression, x power 2 minus y power 2 and whole thing power 5. So you can check 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now minus 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Yes. Okay, then you can see the x should be in the order x power 10, power 8, power 6, power 4, and then y power 6, 4, 2. So it should be correct. Okay, we do in the descending power. That means from high, the degree from high 10 down to low power. See 10, 8, 6, 4, right? Okay, so this is a final answer for this example. This is we review the formula. This one we still have to use it. Okay, very important. Okay, now we go next example, which is may talk about the user specific term formula. Take a look next example. Okay, so this example say A, find the 6th term. That means find the 6th term. We have to find what equal to, okay, of this one, of this expression. We find the coefficient of the term a, I think this one, let me change here, a power 6, b power 5. Okay. And then question A, we want to find the sixth term. Okay. 3 minus b power 11. Okay, so now we gonna work on the question A first. Question A. Find the sixth term. So now, if you want to do this one by use the binomial expansion formula, you still can do, correct? You expand this one by use the formula of what? A plus b and the whole thing power n, the one beginning we work on, and same like the last lessons. But now if you expand that one, you see this power h, that means you have to expand up to 9 terms or expand up to the 6th term to get the answer. But instead you're going to do by the expansion formula. We can use specific terms formula. Okay, before that, let me write the formula for the specific term. Okay, about the finding specific term. Oh, let me write it nicer, okay. Maybe lightly light the formula. Finding a specific term. Okay, this one, the formula is TR, T means the term, R plus 1 equal to NCR A N minus R B power R. Okay, this is a formula of specific term. Now we start to work on question A. We're gonna, instead you're gonna expand by use this formula, right? I will use this specific term formula for the question A. So question A is this one, right? So we write the formula down first. TR plus 1. This one's a formula, okay? Let me write down here. Oh. Okay. So now we start to work on equal to NCR A N minus R times B power R. Okay. So then in this case, we from this question x plus 2y, the whole thing power h. When we write down n, right now n equal to h. This is x, right? Then a equal to x. And then b equal to 2y. Right now r is unknown. We have to find out. So we replace this one, t r unknown plus 1 equal to n is h, c r unknown, a is x, a is the x power h minus r, and b is a 2y power r. Right now r is unknown, but then because we want to find the 6th term, right? 6th term. So that means r have to be 5, right? r have to equal to 5 because when we replace 5r here, become 5 plus 1 become T6. So we have 5 plus 1 here equal to T6. That means the sixth term. Okay, so we got R also at this time. So become 8 C5 X still X and then H minus 5 and then 2y power 5. Okay, then you simplify 8, use the calculator now. HC5 equal to 56, so we write down 56 times x power 3, right? And then this one, don't forget, they have the, here, have to be 2 power 5, don't forget. And y power 5, not 2y power 5, okay? This one, not 2y power 5 strong, have to be 2 power 5 also, don't forget. So now up this one, we're gonna have 56 x cubed and then time 32 because 2 power 5, 32 times y power 5. So you simplify 56 times 32, we have 1792, right? X power 3, y power 5. So that's a final answer for sixth term here. Okay, equal to this one. This one is a question A. Now we go to do for question question B. Okay, we do question B now. Question B, maybe I write down here. Okay, so B want us to find coefficients. Coefficient that means find the number in front of unknown of A power 6, B power 5. Okay, in the expansion of this one. So from this, again, instead we're going to expand by using formula, right? We use the specific terms formula. Do this one. Okay. So from this one, again, I write the formula down one more time. TR1, TR plus 1 equal to, cannot write, equal to NCR AN minus R B power R. Okay. Now from this one, we can write down N equal to 11, right? And then from the formula A equal to 3x, and then B equal to negative 2b, negative 2b. Okay. So from this one, right? Let me see. Let me write down here. From this one, you can write down in this pattern also, right? 3x. Use a plus because formula is a plus sign here. So we write in the same pattern of the formula. So become minus 2b. And the whole thing power 11. And then you simplify. Okay. So after this are unknown again. Okay. So we write down, replace all the information we have. R plus 1 equal so equal to this. N is 11. C are unknown. Then A is a 3x power 11 minus R. 3x 11 minus R. B is a negative 2b power R unknown. Okay, so from this, again, you observe because B minus 2b here, power R here, right? But question say want us to find B power 5, you see that? So this B should be power 5, that means R have to be 5, correct? So from this case, we know now R should be equal to 5. So we replace R 5 plus 1. That's equal to 3, 6 term, 6 term. So this one gonna be 11 C 5, okay? R is equal to 5. And then this one 3x power 11 minus 5 and minus 2b power 5. 2b power 5. Then use a calculator. 11 C what? 11 C5 equal to 462. 462 and time this 3x power 6, right? The whole thing power 6, don't forget. And this one become 2b negative 2b power 5. That means this odd index odd number, so the sign should be minus. We like minus sign first. So final we're gonna have 462 times 3 power 6, correct? And times x power 6 times 2 power 5 and b power 5. So become, then you time it up, 462 times 32, correct? And then time another 3 power 5. Oh no, 3 power 6. Gonna be, this one have negative side, don't forget. We have 0, 1, 0, 7, 7, 5, very large number, 5, 3, 6. And then x power 6, x power 6, and b power 5. So find the coefficient of, this one should be x. I'm right along here. This one should be a, this a should be x. Sorry, can I change it here? In term of x power 6. This one have to be x, okay? I wrote it long. Should be x power 6, b power 5. Because it's a xb. So it should come out xb here. Okay. So this one I wrote it long. Should be x power 6, b power 5. Okay, final answer. Then they say find the coefficients, right? So that means final, the coefficients of the term x power 6, b power 5 equal to negative 107,77536. That's really large number. It's a 10 million something. Okay, so that's a final answer of this one for coefficient of this term by using the specific term formula. Okay, so we go next example. Okay, next example, still user. Now this question just want us to expand only and simplify, but only this one, maybe this one I can let you do how, right? From this one, 2 square root a minus 3 the whole thing power 4. That means we're gonna have 5 terms, correct? Power 4 must have 5 terms. Then in this case, we're gonna have n equal to 4, and then a. Then now just say a equal to 2 square root a, and b equal to negative 3. From this, you can write it down, become 2, according to formulas, plus again, okay, but this is a minus, so you write plus and then minus 3 here, and the whole thing power 4. Then we can use formula, right? Maybe we will a little bit here. So we use formula. So become what? Then this one gonna be 4 terms, should have 5 terms, right? So gonna be, first one gonna be n. N is a 4, right? 4 C 0. A is a 2 square root A power 4 minus 0. If we know, we can replace right away, right? And B negative 3 power 0. And plus N C 1. And this one gonna be 2 square root A power 4 minus 1 become power 3. We can write down, okay? And minus 3 power 1 plus 4C2 4C2 and then 2 square root A power 2, and this one gonna be minus 3 power 2. So go on until you have 4C4, okay? So this is 4C3 2 square root A, the whole thing power 1. This is 1, okay? And minus 3 power 3. And last term gonna be a light out on the top here, become 4C4 and then 2 square root A power 0, and this one minus 3 power 4. And then you just simplify, okay? I will let you do just 4C 0 is a 1. And this only what I like to say is you have to careful about here. This one is a 1, right? And this one gonna be 2 square root A power 4, and this time 1. Okay, and then plus, and then this one you can live in this way, or you're gonna simplify become like a 2 times A, right? If you simplify as the not in the third form like a index, right? So become A power 1 over 2 times 4. You can simplify that way. Okay, but this one question did not request anything. You can leave at this one, it's okay. So only this term gonna be what? Gonna be 2A 2 and cut become A power 2. Okay, and then this term you do the same way. I let you do, but this one come out, this one should be negative sign, right? Negative sign, and simplify the same thing. And you can leave as a fraction index or leave at the square search form, the square root is okay, depend the question request, but this one say nothing, so you can leave at the index or search form. Okay, and the rest you just simplify. I will let you do this question because simply please use the formula of the binomial expansion only related with the index. This one only the different here, that's all. And don't forget the sign, okay? This is a minus. Okay, so we go next example. Now this one a little bit different. This one like a function, right? Actually this one like value of tangent or slope, right? That's, I think you used to learn in grade 9 or 10. And then this one can be related to limit also, but only this question just expand by using, give this f of x plus h minus f of x over h. And if they give f of x equal to x power 4, how we can expand in this case, right? Expand the expression in the difference quotient and the simplify. So in this case, see this, because f of x equal to x power 4, right? So right now f x plus h, you just replace in there, correct? In there, or this one replace in there. So become from this, okay, gonna be equal to x plus h, the whole thing power 4, and then minus f of x. Okay, and then divided by h. Okay, then you use after this you just use binomial expansion by doing this one first. Okay, do this one first and then simplify. For example, okay, we go together here. I will write it down here, okay, like a x plus h power 4, right? How we expand? Use the formula A plus B, the whole thing, power n. Still use the formula, the expansion formula. Gonna be what? Power 4 should have 5 terms, correct? Gonna be n is a 4, correct? And C 0. Right now A is a x. Okay, so become minus 4 minus 0, so power 4 here. And H gonna power 0, right? And second term gonna be n is a 4. I replace right away, and then 1. This x 4 minus 1 become power 3, and then h power 1 plus n 4, this one 4 c2, and x is gonna be power 2, h power 2 also. Then plus 4 c3 x power 1, right? And h power 3. Then plus the last term here, I wrote it down, 4c4, 4c4, and then x power 0 times h power 4. Okay, now from here we rewrite it down. 4c0 is 1, correct? And time this become x power 4 and this power 0, so we have x power 4 for the first term. And then second term, 4c1 is 4, correct? Yes, and then this one x power 3, h power 1, plus 4c2 is, should be 6, right? 6. So we have 6 here, and then x power 2, h power 2. Now this term plus 4c3, I think is 4. So we have 4. This is going to be 4x h power 3. And last term, 4c1, so 1 times x power 0 is still 1. So plus h power 4. Now we have this one now. We have x plus h power 4 equal to this one. Then you just replace this one, right? Replace all of this. Replace this one in, oh sorry. Replace this one in here. Okay. So now we write down this one gonna be x power 4 plus 4x power 3h and plus 6x power 2 h power 2 plus 4x h power 3 plus h power 4. Then don't forget this one, this purple here. Don't forget this one. So this one minus f of x equal to here, x power 4. Then dy, right? Dy. And this one divided by h here. So over h. After this, we check first. This is the x power 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Okay, now we simplify. Simplify, you see this one minus x power 4 and this one plus, so this one cancel. So we let this on the top, but we can get a common factor h, right? H, but we get this one power 1, the lowest index out. So we get h common factor out from every term. So become 4x power 3 plus 6x power 2 h plus 4x h power 2 plus h power 3, and then divide. Okay, you see something? We can cancel this one whole bracket. So this one cut, So we left final answer. This final answer become 4x power 3 plus 6x power 2h plus 4x h power 2 plus x power 3. Okay, this is a final answer for this example. Okay, now we go next example. This one, given that P, they give us P equal to 1 over 2x, the whole thing power 6. This one mean I rewrite it down, okay? This one like this, okay? Because computer cannot write in the fraction pattern. So minus 1 over 2, minus 1 over 2x. And the whole thing power 6. Okay? That's the meaning. And then equal to r minus 96x plus sx power 2 plus ... So that means they have more terms. Because this power 6, right, should have 7 terms, but now they like only 3 terms. Just say they want, given this equal to this, find the value of p, r, and s. Okay, in this case, how we gonna do? From this one, from the left-hand side, we can use a formula again, right? The binomial expansion. And then we expand up to x power 2 is enough. And use the identity to get the coefficients, get the equal for only the term coefficients. So now we expand this one. So I can, because the formula again is a plus, but this one minus, right? So I can rewrite it down, see the solution. I can write it down in this pattern, correct? P plus minus 1 over 2x and the whole thing power 6. Okay, whole thing power 6. So this one equal to formula. Use the expansion formula, binomial expansion formula. I write down here n equal to 6. A equal to p now. And b equal to 1 over 2x. 1 over 2x. That's a b. Okay, then we use 6. I don't like formula anymore. Okay, so 6 c 0, correct? And then a is a p. So 6 minus 0 becomes 6. And then b is a negative 1 over 2x power 0 plus 6c1 p power 6 minus 1 become p power 5. And this one gonna be 1 over 2x power 1. Okay, go next. 6c2 p power 4 minus 1 over 2x power 2. Now up to power 2, this is enough now, and this one you just like plus and dot dot dot, because we want to expand up to x power 2, the height one. The rest we don't need, right? Question give us this equal to this. So now we simplify. 6c0 is what? 1, correct? So 1, 1, and this one power 0. So whatever base here, but power 0 always 1. So 1 time, this one become p power 6. And this one power odd number, power 1, this is a negative. So the sign come out should be negative here. 61 is 6, correct? 61 is a 6. So I have here negative 6 p power 5, right? And x is okay, we write down one by one step by step. So minus 1 over 2x. But actually we can cut right away, right? This we move minus already, so this one should be plus here. So this one minus already. So plus 6C2 is 15. So we have here 15. 15, but this even power, so become plus. So this one still plus sign, nothing changed. And then time, this one 1/2 become 1/4, correct? Because power 2. So become 15/4 p power 4 x power 2 and plus. Okay, 1/4 x power 2 and this p power 4, yes. Okay, now we simplify this one. So become p6 minus 6. This one can cut. Become 3 p5x p power 5x plus 15/4 p power 4 x power 2. And then plus and dot, dot, dot. Okay. From this one, you can see the question say equal to this, right? So that means from this step, I can write down, say this, the whole thing plus plus here, equal to this side, right? Right, so equal to R minus 96x plus sx power 2. Now we compare this, get the coefficient, this identity. Okay, so from this one we can get this one, p power 6 equal to this one, p power 6 equal to r, right? This r is a number, it's a constant number. Okay, from this one we can say, from the identity, so we have p power 6 equal to r, right? This one, and this one, you see this x, right? The term x and x here. So we got negative 3p power 5, 3p power 5 equal to negative 96. Okay, and the next one here, x power 2, x power 2. So we're gonna have 15/4 p power 4 equal to s. Okay, now we can find out p s already. Okay, that means I let you do. Okay, now because you have 3 unknown, you can get 3 unknown and 3 equations, correct? Can you do? The most easy to get is, if you want to do, right, you see, okay, maybe do this one first. From this equation, so minus minus become plus, so p power 5 is what? P power 5 divided by 3. 32. So p power 5 equal to 32. That means 1p equal to, it's an odd power, right? So and then it's a plus, so only one value is a plus. So p equal to square root, right? Become 2. So p equal to 2. When you know p, replace p, right? Replace p in here, you get r. When you get r, and then also p, you replace here, you get s. Okay, so you get all the answer p, r, and s. So I let you do let you finish for the to get the value of r and s. Just replace p. That's all. Okay, so we go next example. Next example, this is a good one. Okay, so in each of the following expansions, find the indicated term. Okay, so This one, if I rewrite, because I cannot write in the, for the computer, I cannot write in the fraction form. So I rewrite this one mean 2 plus x power 2 over 2. And this have power 11. Okay. And this is the whole thing, power 11. Okay, they give you these expressions and find the seventh term. And question B, also this have power 12. And this one means, I will write it down in the fraction form, easy to see. 2x minus 1 over x squared. And the whole thing power 12. And find this one in the term in this one. This one mean 1 over x 15, okay, power 15. So want to find this term what equal to, that's all the meaning. And this find the term 7th what equal to, okay. Okay, so now we do question A first. How about that? Do A first. Again, A, we can use the formula of all or got erase or again. So that's okay, right? Just say this one find expansion, find this term, and I rewrite this one, okay? This one means find find seven term, and this one find in term of this one. I rewrite it. Make it this messy here. This one find in the term in 1 over x power 15. Okay, this just say this question let you expand and find the indicate term. That means from this expression find the seventh term, and this expression, this is the question A, this question B. Okay, find what the term of 1 over x power 15, what the answer for this one. Okay, so we work on question A first. Use a specific term formula again. So formula is what? T r plus 1 equal to NCR A n minus R and then B power R. Okay, again, in this case, we write down from the expression they give to us. We have N equal to 11, right? And A equal to 2, right? B equal to X power 2 over 2. Okay, but R unknown. So then we replace in the formula first. Okay, see what information we have, just replace it in, so become TR plus 1, this one, okay, equal to N is the 11, CR are unknown, A is a 2, B is a X power 2, is the X power 2 over 2, and power R. Okay, then observe, we want to find 7 again, seven term, right? Find this one, 7 term. So X, this one x power, this x power 2 r, okay, they specific already 7 terms, so this one should be r. We know now r equal to what? 6, right? Because if you plus replace here r with a 6 plus 1, so this one equal to T7. This one equal to 3, 6 plus 1 equal to T7. Okay, and then this one equal to 11 C 6. Right now I equal to 6. Okay, and then A is a 2, so 11 minus 6 become 5, and B is a x over 2 the whole thing power. R is what? R is a power 6. Okay, so then we simplify. Simplify 11, use calculator. 11C6 equal to 462 times 2 power 5 is what? 32. And then time, don't forget this one, x2 times 6 become 12. And over 2 power 6 is what? 2 power 5, 32. So 32 times 2 becomes 64. So 2 power 6, 64. Now what we have, we can cut, make a lower term, right? What we have, so this one, you have 462 times 32 divided by 64. So we left 231. X power 12. X power 12, okay? So that's our final answer for question A. Okay, so now see, we go to do question B. Okay, question B. Question B here. Give you this expression and indicate, find the indicate term. That means find this term. This one equal to what? Okay. So now this one a little bit special because you see the term become the fraction, not like a normal term like this, right? So this become fraction. So this one we have to, again, we find out from this one, right? Find out, we use this formula again. Use this specific term. In this case, n equal to 12. A is 2x. B, again, don't forget this is negative. Oh, cannot like that. So minus 1 over x power 2, correct? Or you can say this one equal to negative x power negative 2, correct? We can write in this way. And at the same time, this one can rewrite it down as a x power negative 15, right? Try to move the index to be like not in the fraction form. Okay, so now we start to use this formula. So TR, R unknown again, okay? So plus 1 equal to N is 12, CR, R unknown. A is a 2x, 12 minus R. Time B is I will write down at this one, minus x power negative 2. Okay, power r, right? Power r are unknown. So from this one, from this one, what next we're gonna do? So from this one, we know power of x in term t. The power x, the power of x in term t. In term t, right? In term t plus 1. So from here we got this one equal to the power of x in term of t plus 1. That means we get only the power here of this term at this term. Get the power this one. Plus it up. So this one equal to 12 minus r. And this one time, right? Plus minus 2r, right? Just lay down in this way. So you simplify this, and this one simplify become 12 minus r minus 2r. So equal to 12 minus 3r. Okay, when we have minus 3r, but because and this one is the power of x in terms of this one. At the same time, this power will equal to this one. Equal to the power only, okay? The power of that one. Maybe I write down. Equal to the power, because right now we talk about power of x, correct? In the term of this one. So you take the power of this will equal to the power of the one you want to get. Okay, so equal to negative 15. This is 15, okay? Negative 15. So this equal to this. Then you solve for r from here. So minus 3r equal to minus 15 become minus 27. That means r equal to 9. Now we get r equal to 9. Once we got r, the value of r, then you replace back to this one again to get the term of 1 over x power 5. So you put it back there. So under this one, so become r, we know it's a 9. So replace r here, 9. 9 plus 1 become 10. Equal to 12 C9. Right? R is a 9. And then 2x power 12 minus 9 time minus x power negative 2 power 9. So this one become, then you use the calculator, right? Calculator 12C9 equal to 220 time this one power 12 minus 9, we have power 3, right? So 2 power 3 become 8 and x is power 3 also, correct? And this one, see, this is a negative here. And this power odd number, so come out should be negative. So I write the sign negative outside. Have negative sign minus here. So this one gonna be x, right? Power what? Negative 18. Because negative 2 times 9, and this might not move outside here because index is a odd number. So we have 20, so gonna be what? 200 20 times 8, so equal to 1760, and x power 3 times this x power negative 18, right? So then we simplify, this gonna be minus 1760 x power negative 15. That means this one equal to minus 1760 over x power 15. Okay, so this one exact same as the question want you to find in this term, correct? So this is the same, right? So now this question want to find this one. So the final answer is this one. So this in the term, this expression x minus 1 over x power 2 in the term of 1 over x power 15 will equal to negative 1760 over x power 15. So that's the one. But if the question want to find coefficient of this one in the term, find coefficients, if say find the coefficients of the term 1 over x power 15 like this, okay? If question request for coefficient, then you answer as equal what? Equal to 1760. That's a coefficient answer. But if you find the whole term of this one, then you answer this one together with the x power 1 over x power 15. Okay, so this is the last section of the binomial theorem. And this section talk about use the formula of specific term. Okay, so for this chapter by the binomial theorem, you're gonna use only two formula, that's all. One is this one, specific terms, okay, this one. And the formula at the beginning, you do like a plus b power n, this one, and become what? nc0, an minus 0, something like that, and b0 and plus, and go on. That's only two formula for this lesson. So one of these and second of this. Okay, so you can use all kind of question they're asking you. Okay, I think that's all from now, and I will give you some exercise to practice, and please check in the GC, okay, for the assignment what question you have to do. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.